Good morning, 早安. Welcome to Morning Mandarin. Today we'll learn 5 essential time periods in a day. They are 早上 early morning, 上午 morning, 中午 midday, 下午 afternoon, 晚上 evening. There are plenty of other words to show time periods. These are the most common ones. These words help indicate AM or PM in Mandarin. Set a time period before time is how we avoid confusion between AM and PM. Let's take a close look at each time period. 早上 is around 6 AM to 8 or 9 AM. The characters respectively mean early and up or above. 晚上 is around 7 PM to 12 AM. 晚 means late. 早 and 晚 are a pair of antonyms. 早上早上晚上晚上 In Mandarin, good morning is morning good. 好 good. 早上好早上好 Another way to say good morning is 早安 An means safe or peaceful, quiet. Wish you a peaceful and tranquil morning. 早安早安 For people you're familiar with, you can simply say 早早上好 Jeff, PP 早早安 Similar to 早上好 Good evening is evening good. 晚上好晚上好 Although 早上好 and 早安 are interchangeable, 晚安 means good night. Wish you a safe and peaceful night. 晚安晚安晚上好 is usually used at the beginning of a conversation, while 晚安 is often used to end the conversation. 晚上好 Jojo. PP 晚上好我帮你谢谢你晚安晚安 Let's look at these 3 words together. 上午中午下午午 indicates noon. 上中下 each means above, middle, and below. 上午 above noon. The time before noon is roughly from 9 AM to 12 PM. 中午 middle, noon. Unlike noon in English, 中午 is a period of time, commonly considered from 12 PM to 2 PM. 下午 below noon, afternoon, around 2 PM to 7 PM. To greet in those time periods is the same. Put a 好 good after them. 上午好中午好下午好 Even though 上午好 and 中午好 are not wrong, they're not as common as other greetings. Don't forget, you can always use the universal greeting 你好你好 Let's review. 早上早上上午上午中午中午下午下午晚上晚上早上好早上好早安早安下午好下午好晚上好晚上好晚安晚安 That's all for today. See you next morning.